Welcome to Reviews Heaven. If you're on the hunt for the perfect compact refrigerator, you've come to the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best compact refrigerators that are not just practical but also packed with amazing features. From chilling your favorite drinks to keeping your skincare fresh, these mini fridges are designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle, whether it's for your bedroom, office, dorm, or even your car. Stick around as we break down their key features, benefits, and why they're worth every penny. And don't forget, all the product links are in the description box below, so you can check them out anytime. Let's dive in and find your perfect mini fridge. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Frigidaire Mini Personal Fridge Cooler. Looking for a mini fridge that's as cool as it looks? Meet the Frigidaire Mini Personal Fridge. This compact retro cooler isn't just a fridge, it's a vibe. With its sleek design and fun colors, it's like having a tiny time machine for your snacks and drinks. Plus, it fits 6 cans. 6. That's enough soda for you and 5 friends. Or just you on a long movie night. No judgment here. This fridge doesn't just cool. It also warms. Flip a switch, and it goes from keeping your drinks icy to warming up your soup. It cools up to 32 degrees Fahrenheit below room temperature and heats up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're at a backyard barbecue or your kid's soccer game, this 4-liter wonder is ready to roll. It's small, but don't let its size fool you. The removable shelf makes room for yogurt, smoothies, or even skincare products. Yes, skincare. Because glowing skin deserves the chill treatment too. At just 3 pounds, it's light enough to carry anywhere. Heading on a road trip? Plug it into your car with the included 12V adapter. Need it at home? No problem. It works with standard outlets too. And with a secure latch, your snacks won't take a tumble. So why wait? Chill out with the Frigidaire Mini Personal Fridge. It's small, stylish, and totally cool, literally. Number 2. Paris Hilton Mini Refrigerator and Personal Beauty Fridge. Ever wondered how to keep your skincare cool, your drinks chilled, and your selfies flawless? Meet the Paris Hilton Mini Refrigerator and Personal Beauty Fridge. It's pink, it's glamorous, and it's the ultimate blend of fashion and function. With its mirror door and dimmable LED light, this fridge doesn't just store, it slays. Perfect for anyone who wants to live their best life. One chilled serum or soda at a time. This isn't just a fridge, it's a beauty station. The LED-lit mirror is perfect for makeup touch-ups, whether you're prepping for a night out or just trying to look fabulous while binge-watching your favorite show. With 4 liters of storage, it holds 6 12-ounce cans or all your beauty essentials. Compact and cute, this fridge fits anywhere, your vanity, dorm, or office desk. It's lightweight, portable, and even comes with a car adapter. So whether you're glamming up at home or on the go, this fridge has your back. And your snacks. The Paris Hilton Mini Fridge isn't just an appliance, it's a lifestyle. Whether you're storing skincare, snacks, or just your fabulous self, this fridge makes every day feel like a red carpet moment. Stay cool, stay hot, and stay iconic. Number 3. Skincare Fridge with Dimmable LED Light Mirror. Ever feel like your skincare deserves VIP treatment? Meet the Skincare Fridge with Dimmable LED Light Mirror. This 4-liter mini fridge is here to keep your beauty products fresh, your snacks cool, and your mornings glamorous. It's compact, portable, and doubles as a makeup mirror with 3 adjustable brightness levels. Who knew a fridge could multitask better than most people? This fridge isn't just for cooling, it's a dual-purpose wonder. Switch it to warm mode and voila! Perfectly heated towels or essential oils for that spa-like experience at home. And don't worry, it's not all work. This fridge holds 6 12-ounce cans too. Because sometimes, your skincare needs a sidekick. This fridge doesn't just look good, it's energy smart too. Using thermoelectric cooling, it's fast, effective, and sips electricity like it's on a diet. Save energy and still look fabulous? Win-win. So, if you're ready to upgrade your skincare game while keeping your drinks chilled, The skincare fridge with dimmable LED light mirror is your new best friend. It's practical, stylish, and always glowing, just like you. Number 4. YSSOA Mini Fridge Portable Cooler and Warmer. Say hello to the YSSOA 4L Mini Fridge, your new pint-sized powerhouse for cooling and warming. This adorable pink cooler isn't just functional, it's fashionable. Whether you're chilling drinks, keeping skincare fresh, or warming up your coffee on a chilly day, this mini fridge has got you covered. Plus, it's small enough to fit on a bookshelf, but big enough to hold 6 12-ounce cans. Who says you can't have it all? With a 4-liter capacity and a removable shelf, this fridge is as versatile as it gets. It's perfect for separating your snacks from your skincare or your soda from your serums. And yes, it's available in pink and black, making it an excellent gift for anyone. Because who wouldn't want a fridge that doubles as a style statement? Hot or cold? The YSSOA fridge does both. Flip the switch to cool up to 34 degrees Fahrenheit or warm up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether it's a hot drink in winter or chilled beauty products in summer, this fridge is your all-season companion. It's like having a personal assistant for your cravings and cosmetics. Compact, stylish, and multifunctional, the YSSOA 4L Mini Fridge is the ultimate blend of convenience and charm. Whether it's for your desk, dorm, or road trips, this fridge is ready to keep you cool or warm with a smile. Number 5. Cooluli Mini Fridge Portable Cooler and Warmer. Need a fridge that's small, stylish, and surprisingly versatile? Enter the Cooluli Mini Fridge. This sleek black 4-liter cooler is perfect for bedrooms, offices, dorms, and even road trips. Whether you're storing skincare, snacks, or a secret stash of soda, this fridge has you covered. It's compact, lightweight, and, wait for it, powered by USB. Yes, you can keep your snacks cool while gaming. The Cooluli Mini Fridge isn't just a fridge, it's a multitasking marvel. It cools your favorite drinks, keeps your skincare fresh, and even stores essentials like breast milk or medications. At 4 pounds, it's portable enough to move from your desk to your car with ease. And with a matte finish and modern design, it's as good-looking as it is practical. This fridge doesn't stop at cooling. It warms too. Cool down to 40 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient temperature or heat up to 144 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for cold serums in the summer and warm coffee in the winter. It's like having a personal butler for your beauty and beverage needs. The Cooluli Mini Fridge combines function, style, and portability into one compact package. Whether you're chilling at home or hitting the road, this mini fridge is your ultimate sidekick. Cool, warm, and totally cool, literally. And that wraps up our review of the top 5 best compact refrigerators. Whether you need one for skincare, snacks, or drinks, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to check the buying links in the description box below. Thanks for watching Reviews Heaven. See you in the next video.